This is a story about the future. And the future can be scary.
Yo, what's up? This is the one and only Donald, and you watching Best Live TV.
Say your names when you do the clips because it makes it easy for me when I have to back announce. Donald said, yo, Savvy, you have to mention this is the biggest song right now on the station. It is sitting at number 1 on the Wild Urban Top 40. Euphonic, Donald, Runaway Love. Before this, Crazy White Boy was Something New. Will.i.am featuring Pi Maya. And that one is called Boys and Girls. Let's get into Showtime.
Showtime. On the best drive. Showtime. We talk on the best drive.
All right, Toby.
Hey man, it's been such a busy day, but an amazing one, man.
All right, who do you have in store for us today?
All right, so earlier you do know that Donald had an announcement to make. Myself and Sabi were actually out at that announcement earlier today. It's actually really, really cool, man. It's his first DVD screening and actually recording. Live recording he'll be doing. It's very exciting because I think when we've had Donald before, we've always had these chirpers and saying, when are you going to do it? When are you going to do it? Mm-hmm. And he's finally doing it, and it's kind of a big deal. So Donald, can you take us through a little bit of a synopsis, who your panel is, the people you've worked with that are really close to your heart in terms of the music and everything else?
Yeah, today was a movie, man, you know, and it was so awesome to see you guys right there with all the media. You know, you guys really take your stuff very seriously. Thank you so much for coming and, you know, and gracing the occasion. You know, we had a press conference this morning, and I had a panel of some of the heavyweights of entertainment industry, and I did this for one reason and one reason only. It's very important for people to understand some of the work that goes behind putting together a world-class show. 19 August, Carnival City, the Red Mic Experience. This is not like any other show that you've seen before. This is something on a different level, you know. I've got Somizi doing choreography for the show and creative direction of the show. I have Baledi Sechapo, who is the guy who dresses me, makes me look good all the time. Tepi, you know what I'm talking about. You know, and I also had Ricky Rick and Busiswa, who were also on the panel. So that was my panel, man. You know, I call it the dream team. You know, we are the Red Mic Experience team, and we're gonna make, you know, people really happy on the night. It's amazing. Ricky Rick and Busiswa, as I said at the press conference, are not they're not my opening act, man. They're my supporting act.
I love
and
that.
Why that is, you know, very important for me to point out is because those guys are two big guys. Those guys can do their own show at Carnival City any day, you know, and I have so much respect for them. But I have even more respect for them to you know, to be happy with coming on board on a show like this and performing before me, just to get the crowd happy and everything. Yeah.
You mentioned a very interesting story during the press conference about the Red Mic, and I'm
Yes,
sure some of the listeners never really got a chance to understand how did the Red Mic come about?
Yeah. I made a decision at some point. I think I remember it was prior to the Summers in 2013. If I remember well, I was actually left out of the Summers, and that was actually my biggest year.
Yeah.
I was left out, you know, but very interestingly, I got last minute call to say I'm going to be performing, you know, and very interesting. I was like, okay, cool, sharp, so I'm performing for the Summers, but I'm not nominated. Hey, good, anyway, I'm going to go and do it, and I decided I want to make my performance special. I want to introduce something different, you know, and I think if I remember well, I really just wanted to do it for that performance. But that was the start of something great, because I went and bought a new microphone, world-class microphone. This is a microphone they use on The Voice, by the way. The microphones you see them using on The Voice
Just
is
so
the
you know.
mic that I have.
Yeah.
And, you know, I went and I got it done and made sure that they make it in red, because I wanted a color that kind of like sticks out, and you know, it'll be something different, you know. I did that. I got a microphone stand, did the same thing to the stand, and that was the day that everything started. The Red Mic, the life of the Red Mic started then, because it has basically grown to its own, like it's got its own life, bro. Like it's crazy, man. So I just believe right now is the time. This is the right time. I communicate with my fans via my Red Mic, and right now is important for me to put together an experience with her.
So I know that Somizi spoke a lot about how he doesn't like doing this type of stuff, and he's doing it for you because he spoke about not having it mediocre.
Yes.
And how you guys want to make it into a movie. It's not something that everyone has done, so it's really going to be an experience. Can you take us through what people who are going to be buying the tickets are going to sort of go through on the night?
Yeah. I'll give you, Toby, I'm going to give you a little example. I don't like giving too much when it comes to these things because I believe the surprise element is always the best. But one thing I can tell you is that people must not, must look forward to fire that night, man. Like, literally, there might just be some fire too, literally. Like, it's going to be crazy. I'm putting together an amazing show. We already have the show on paper, by the way.
Nice.
Every song to the T, from the first song until the end. I'm preparing. I'm going to start rehearsals probably a month and a half before the show, or 2 months before with the band, with a 13-piece band.
Yeah.
Yes, so that's what people must look out for. 13-piece band with a string section on stage, and I've got dancers who are going to be choreographed by Somizi. So Mizi, when he said, it cannot be Meek Mouse, he knows what he's talking about. Because Somizi is very expensive.
He did the World Cup. He did the World Cup.
You need to understand that.
Donald,
Listen, he's making people save water. He's doing all sorts of things right now, man.
listen, I hope you do take the women and the ladies that are going to be there on an experience. I do know that the tickets are not that expensive.
Yep.
They did go on sale today. They started $150 from
They
the
started
mistaken.
$150 until $350.
Awesome.
So the
So,
most
I mean,
expensive ticket is $350.
This is literally
Come on,
for everybody, all the
It's
ladies
very
out there who want to be embraced by love. Ooh,
Yes.
I'm telling you,
And
it's
they
going to
must
be an
not
experience.
forget, as I was about to say that, it's
Yeah.
not just going to be a show, bro.
Yeah.
It's an experience. We started from day one
Nice.
until the last day. Basically, I'm going to take everyone through a story. This is the Donald story. And there's just so much that has happened throughout the years.
It's crazy, man, to think that with one single, you were able to use that. Because one can easily see that you had planned these things out. Like, how they happen, In Denial was a big song.
Over the Moon.
Over the
The
Moon.
biggest.
And then, things keep piling on and piling on. And you know how to keep yourself, going. Because some people, they get to a point where so much success comes, to them. They're like,
Yes, sir.
damn, how do I handle all this? I wasn't expecting
I
this to
think
happen.
for me, another thing is timing, man. You've got to time whatever you're doing very well.
Yeah.
2 years ago, I was getting a lot of pressure from the fans. When am I going to shoot a DVD? And I was it's not time, man.
Yeah.
It's not time yet. I haven't gone through enough. Right now, I can tell you it's been 4 to 5 years. I've been to America and back. I've worked with the biggest artists in Africa, Diamond. I've done so much. I've been nominated for the BETs. I've gone double platinum. I've gone gold. I've done so much in my life.
Sold 500,000 downloads.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's $1 million
500,000 now. It's $1 million for Over the Moon on its
Oh,
own.
yeah, yes,
Over the Moon,
yeah.
it's $1 million now. Just so much that has happened, but this is the time for me to kind of like take the people now through the story of I Deserve until Runaway Love. Do you understand? That's where it starts. From I Deserve until Runaway Love. So much has happened, but it's an end of an old era and a beginning of a new one. The Red Mic experience, the Red Mic era starts right now.
Awesome
Nice.
stuff, man. Donald, you can follow him up on Twitter. You want to share your handles?
Yes,
Everything
sir.
else?
Yes, sir, man. On social media, I am Donald in Denial. On Twitter, Donald in Denial on Instagram. I've got a fan page called Donald on Facebook. And yeah, I'm not on Snapchat. I
And the
really
Red
don't have
Mic
the time.
Experience now has its own Twitter page.
Yes. You can actually. Thank you so much for being so on point, girl.
PR vibes, huh?
Hello.
Red Mic Experience. You can actually follow Red Mic Experience with an X. Man, it's hashtag the RMX. So whenever you want to say anything or ask me anything, don't forget the hashtag is hashtag Red Mic Experience, hashtag RMX DVD. It's going down 19 August. Carnival City. Tickets are available right now, guys. Go on the internet right now. Go to CompuTicket anywhere you can right now. Get the tickets, man. Let's sell it out. Let's make it a beautiful experience. And shout out to Mzansi Magic for coming on board, as the official broadcast sponsor.
Awesome. Shout out to you.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the